Every CNC setup has hidden waste, small, subtle actions that steal your time, lower your efficiency, and hold back your career. What if you could eliminate them and transform the way you work? Inside G3 CNC Setup Pro, we take proven lean manufacturing principles and apply them directly to CNC setup. We aren't going to make you into a lean expert, but you will learn practical, real-world lean methods that make your setups faster, cleaner, and more reliable. Lean manufacturing defines 7 types of waste. In CNC setup, the biggest ones are motion and defects. Motion, wasted movement, like walking across the shop for a tool or awkwardly reaching for gauges. Small inefficiencies that can eat up large amounts of your setup time. Defects, setup errors, or bad processes that lead to rework, scrap, and downtime, costing you, your team, and your shop. Setup Pro gives you the tools to cut waste, prevent errors, and build repeatable processes. It's about doing things right the first time, staying sharp, consistent, and efficient. The result? Better parts, faster setups, and more trust from your team. Waste is everywhere, but so are opportunities to improve. If you're ready to level up your setups, reduce wasted time, and separate yourself from the crowd, Setup Pro is where it starts.